And I'm sorry, but the Prime Minister is now hiding behind the Speaker. They are making the Speaker say all this. Prime Minister, absolute lies. It is an absolute lie. There is no question of anybody raising any hands on the Prime Minister, trying to hurt him or any such thing. So the women MPs were standing in front of the Treasury bench, so what? And the Prime Minister, absolute lies. It is an absolute lie. There is no question of anybody raising any hands on the Prime Minister, trying to hurt him or any such thing. There is no question. So it is absolutely wrong of anybody to say that there was any such plan. There was no such plan. But if you're going to allow your members to stand and quote books and talk nonsense, then this side, the opposition benches are going to protest. And I'm sorry, but the Prime Minister is now hiding behind the Speaker. They are making the Speaker say all this. Because yesterday he did not have the guts to come in the House. What? Because 3 women were standing in front of his bench? What nonsense is this?
Every day Parliament is being stalled. Will it be stalled just like that every day?
Why don't you ask the government? Why don't you ask the government why the leader of opposition is not allowed to speak? Why don't? No, have you? I would like to know, have you asked them? Have you asked Amit Shah ji? Have you asked the Prime Minister? Have you asked the government why they are not allowing the LOP to speak? Do they have any basis to stop him from quoting a published source? They do not. So don't continuously every day ask this question to the opposition. The fact is, no. Yes, we are. Yes. 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 There is no discussion because the government does not want to discuss anything. That is the fact. And frankly, if the government has given you questions to ask, then it's fine. I'll answer them all. I'll answer them all.
Ma'am, very serious allegation on opposition.
I have already answered it.
मैं प्रधानमंत्री जी और बीजेपी को याद दिलाना चाहता हूं कि 10 जून 2004 को तब के प्रधानमंत्री डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह ने अपना वक्तव्य, अपना भाषण नहीं दिया मोशन ऑफ थैंक्स पर, क्योंकि वो दे नहीं पाए। जून 10, 2004 को he did not reply because he could not reply. तो ये प्रधानमंत्री मौजूद थे लोकसभा में, और जब उनका दूसरा भाषण हुआ अगले साल 10 मार्च 2005 को, डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी ने कहा कि मैं राष्ट्रपति को 2 बार धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि पहली बार मैं दे नहीं पाया, मुझे रोका गया 2004 में जून के महीने में। तो जून के लिए मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं 2004 का, और अभी मार्च 2005 में मैं दूसरी बार उनको धन्यवाद दे रहा हूं। तो ये रहा है बीजेपी ने जिस तरीके से डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी को रोका, और मनमोहन सिंह जी मौजूद थे लोकसभा में जब उन्होंने भाषण का जवाब नहीं दिया। आज राज्यसभा में नेता प्रतिपक्ष ने कहा, हमारे कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी ने कहा कि पार्लियामेंट के 2 स्तंभ होते हैं।